You gonna put it on YouTube?
I'm trying to see this unreal.
I just saw
2 baby cats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, it's another one.
You seen them?
Yeah, I'm knowing she was scared to let the hood up.
I was. I didn't know if they were going to jump out. You wasn't here.
Reporting live from Inside Outside Beauty, we have a lady here with a nice brand new Infiniti, and we have 2 cats stuck in the engine. And so we're trying to figure out how to get the cats out the engine. Now this is unreal and very unheard of. So let's find out how the Shreveport Fire Department works to get the cats out of the hood of the car.
That one's fine.
This one's
This
fine.
one here's fine.
Yeah, I don't think they were both hollering just a minute ago.
Yep. I drove
They were
from
both.
Southern Hills down here. And I kept hearing it every time I stopped at the light.
Right from up here.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Oh, if you pull it by its tail.
Oh, y'all watch out. Come over this way. Okay, go back in and stand right here in this window and look. Okay, that's fine. Stand right there.
Wow. Wow.
There it is.
Wow.
They scared.
Baby is too little to even think.
Oh.
He needs some mom.
Yes, it does.
Go wash your hands.
Wow.
Foot's burned.
Oh. I just don't look at it.
They have 1 cat out of the engine already. We're waiting for 1 more cat. Here's the first baby cat out of the engine.
We out there recording.
Just a little baby.
Oh my God.
Knock it, baby.
It's,
Right there.
I think the other one did. I don't
Grab it on.
Here's the owner of the killer.
He's dead. Oh. Is it? I think
He's still alive.
it's another one too. It's another one. I think it's one more.
And we just discovered that there's another cat in the engine. There's 1 more cat.
Look how little they is. That mama did that. They put it on me. Put it on me. We got a $500 reward for the mama.
Oh Lord!
Came on to the beauty shop. They need some water now.
So she just how the mama get in the hood?
They could have died.
You see the little babies. How many more is in this a month?
She said she think it's
Go in the shop. Y'all go back in there. Okay.
Yeah, they're baby cats.
Bye, son. Go back in there. Y'all go back in there.
They're cute little baby cats.
Yeah.
They don't need. They need some milk.
Milk. They need water or milk. When they first come out, they drink milk. So you gonna give them some water?
They'll have to have meals.
They gonna get them. You gonna take them to the shelter?
Yeah, we'll call them.
Oh.
I'll take them back to the station. I'll they have milk that's powdered milk.
Okay.
You think there might be
Oh,
free?
we are recording live at Outside Beauty.
I think it is another one right here.
Oh my.
On this side. Because I was seeing
So we
more
got
than
one
one
from
thing
over there.
I know. She think it's another one.
Because the one that was on this side, he was the one hollering the right here.
Go
he
sit
was
down.
hollering the loudest. The first one you got out. I mean, he was screaming.
Okay, I'll let y'all know when she get out here.
Did you go wash your
See, they don't even have their eyes
Hey,
opened up.
So y'all rescue cats and do excellent hair here at Inside Outside Beauty?
Oh my God. Hold on. And the answer to that question, yes we do.
They're
They
really
so glad.
Oh.
A towel would be nice to take them back to the station in.
Okay, go get one.
I'm gonna climb on here if you don't mind.
Okay, well maybe that is it. Maybe we just.
I don't we don't see no.
Okay. No, one of them head burned.
Yeah, both of them are burned.
And we thank you all for tuning in live to Channel 12 for the rescue and the breaking news about the cats. It's back over to you now, Phil, back at the station.